Hello, in this video I want to show you how you could use Excel to simplify your calculations. As you already know, Pearson homework gives you a link to an Excel table for almost every problem. So you can, of course, you can do it manually, but if you're familiar with Excel or if you want to learn something new, you can use this option. So suppose that you have a table on top in the line 2. So we suppose that we want to find the mean of this set of values. So first we can use the summation option. So for this purpose, you must choose the values and one free cell afterward. I will choose two free cells, so the answer will be in the last. So, and then on top in the toolbar, you must find the summation sign. Here's all the sum, and it gives the sum in the last three cell. Okay, then I suppose that I want to find the mean of this data set. So I need to know how many values I have here. So I have 10 values. So the mean is the sum divided by the number of values. So I can use formulas in Excel. It's very convenient. So I press equality sign. Then I can type 66 divided by 10 and then enter, and it gives the answer. Alternatively, I can click on the cell that I used, 66 here, divided by 10, and then press enter. It's the same. It is convenient in case that you notice that you must change something in your table. So suppose you have 6 here, then it automatically updates your answer using this 6. Suppose that you have a frequency table and we want to find the mean of this data set. We have 7 different values. For every value we have its frequency. Remember the formula to find the mean, we must multiply every value by its frequency and then add. Quality sign, then the cell, multiply, then the second cell, then enter. So the product 4 times 1, of course you could do it manually, but look, you can spread the formula like this. So when you choose this cell, you see the small dot in the bottom right corner. You click on this point and you distribute, and it distributes the formula. So in the second cell, you have 5 times 4, 20, 6 times 1, and so on. So you get all the products here. Okay, the next step, we need to find the sum of these products. The same thing, I choose one more cell, so I make 2 more cells. So then I press on auto sum. The sum is 69, and to find the mean, I must divide this sum by the number of values. What's the number of values? We must add up all the frequencies. I use auto summation again. So this is the number of values, 14. To find the mean, equality sign, 96 divided by 14, enter. So this is the mean. Okay, so maybe the table is given in vertical form, it's all the same. So to find the total number of values, we add up all the frequencies. So we have 12 values. Then we need to find the product's value times frequency. So equality sign, x times frequency, enter. Then we distribute the formula for all the lines. Then we add them up. So press AutoSum again. And to find the mean, equality sign, 79 divided by the number of values by 12. Enter. So this is how you can use Excel for simple calculations. More important, for repeated calculations, since you can use this spreading the formula, it's very convenient for repeating calculations.